Oh.
Venetian pa.
Nakalala na yan.
Ano?
Wala kang pipindutin. Wala kang pipindutin.
Ay, wala lang. Basta lang steady ko.
And now again, for the second time around, hello. Hi.
Hi.
We're going to
The Venetian! Venetian!
Venetian.
Yeah, yeah.
Going to Venetian to see the nightlife here in Macau.
Yes.
Pilipino ba to?
No, she's not foreigner. From the Philippines. Yeah. How about you, sir?
Where are you from?
Oh, yeah! Oh, kabayan! Ihag mo siya, sister! Ihag mo siya! Oo, sige nga. Sige nga, ihag mo siya. Ihag mo.
Kasi parang mukhang Nepal, hindi mo
Oh, mukhang taga-Nepal ka, sir. Kala namin taga-Nepal ka.
wala na English ko.
Ihag mo kaya siya! Hindi mo siya inag!
Ay, kabayan, hal ko nga ako, matagal ako hindi nakakayakap ng tao. Puro mga...
May camera dito.
Ba, yayakap lang, arte mo. Bye-bye. Ate, kuna mo kami, dali. Kung mga arte, alam mo, foreigner ka.
1, 2,
Smile.
Kasi naka-video ka dito yun.
Joke lang, para masaya. Plado ka naman.
Tatlo kayo, picture kayo.
Oy.
Picture ako.
Sure, sige. O, paano to? Venetian is that?
Saan ba kayo galing na bansa?
Pilipinas,
China po.
ikaw saan ka ba?
Hindi, nag-tour lang kayo dito?
Wow, nag-tour mayaman.
No, it's not too far. May picture tayo sa kanya.
Ano to, crown? Hindi mabasa yun, nababasa. Tapos to, hard rock. Tapos, ano pa ba? Si ate, sige pa cute oh. Naks naman te, AJs. Kamukha mo si AJs.
Hindi kayo nag-work sa ibang bansa?
Hindi.
Talagang lagi.
Maganda talaga yung Macau din ha. Furnace. Entertainment, hotel, dining, shopping, City of Dreams. Hay nako, boring. Wala man lang Pilipino. Ate, wala ba akong picture dito? Ganda-ganda ng view. Say something about this place.
This is usually Venetian,
Aha.
one of the tourist spot in Macau.
Wow,
Which
galing.
is a lot of these foreigners come here for a casino and for the sightseeing because there's a lot of beautiful place inside this casino. And I think this is the historic one of the casino here, the one of the foremost casino here in Macau. This is the first one. The
So you're talking about that place.
This
Yes.
is Venetian.
All right. Let's go.
Let's go.
Sote, anything else you want to say?
There's nothing more. I just want to
All right.
take a shot on you.
Oh,
Dalawa
say something. Dali.
So here's the two young ladies who are dancing. Like I don't know what they're dancing. Dirty dancing, I think. Macho dancing.
Sexy because we're not sexy.
Yeah.
So this is a macho dancing, you know?
Ang garada. Ang galing niya sumaya. Tingnan nyo, oh.
What we're doing here now? We're getting crazy because we're not eating yet. Hosting, sa baba.
Saan? Dito? Okay?
Yeah, yung baba.
Sige, ganyan. Sige, kaya.